boy. About business entertainment. One more time. One more time. You can't hold me down, cause I'm destined to blow up. Cause we're speeding to the money, I don't see us going up. So when the haters come around, I say I can't get enough. Just a hater competition, so they keep on adding up. I used to dream at night that one day I would be successful. Even though they don't like me, only me to be better. So it's one hater, two haters, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, I think I know why. They don't like me now. Wait until they see me later. If you think they don't like me now, just wait until they see me later. Please come wipe me down, cause I just might need more haters. Give me more haters. Send me more haters. I need more haters. I want more haters. Cause tonight is going down. So I just might get a new hater. Hold me down. Hold me down. Cause I accumulate more haters.
Let's do it. Turn up. Turn up.
If you think they don't like me now, just wait until they see me later. Please don't wipe me down, cause I just might need more haters. Give me more haters. Send me more haters. I need more haters. I want more haters. Cause tonight is going down. So I just might get a new hater.
Are we done? Are we done?
Y'all witnessing history tonight. Y'all witness, we are the future.
RICO.
The year 2010, we taking over. What you doing? Yeah. About business entertainment, ladies and gentlemen. That is about business entertainment. RICO.
somebody blowing your phone up, right?
Listen to me. I say, all she wants to do is call. It's obvious I don't want you at all. Why you nagging me? Stop calling me. Quit texting me. Just get the message, please. Take it in from me. Check we history. Quit calling me. Why you lying? I got call ID. 505. 909. Sometimes it's 50 calls. First in the school, baby. We were like the Huxtables. You would say I love you, and my reply was I love you too. Now you keep on calling and popping up. Use a bugaboo. Got me contemplating, thinking that I shouldn't fuck with you. I trusted you, but you turned your back on me like others. Made this hustle feel like it's swallow some disgusting food. Rocket you, but I got over it, aka call it quits. Now you keep on stalking and calling me, oh because we quit. On the street, now I disappeared. You was the cause of it. So pack up all your lies, all the tears, along with all your fits. Get your track shoes on, call a cab, call a friend. Match shoes, go then coming back and come to win. All I see is your identity up on my color list. Can't you get the figure simplicity on the talking still? You can keep it moving cause we history. Blood's gone, Cupid keep on shooting, but he missing. All she wants to do is call. It's obvious I don't want you at all. Why you nagging me? Stop calling me. Quit texting me. Just get the message, please. History, you missing me. What's up? Take it in from me. Check we history. Quit calling me. Quit lying. I got call ID. 505. 909. Sometimes it's 50 call a week. Yeah, why this girl keep calling me? She done call me every day this week. I done gave that girl that all of me. She was up by every inch of me. I promise this is meant to be. At least that's what she said to me. I thought this was a one night stand. I guess she had more plans for me. Calling, blowing up my cell phone on a regular. Acting suicidal when this message getting scary, bruh. Checking text messages is on my BlackBerry, bruh. I promise this stuff is gon' make a nigga go bananas, boy. Hold up, I ain't on that mess. I let her know I'm running here. Cause if you ever disrespect me, you would die very unhappy. If you ever cross that line, I promise I'm drawing my line. Bow! It's a thin line, baby. All she wants to do is call. It's obvious I don't crazy how they hate it. She ever come on saying, let's make a baby. Look, shorty, hold up. I make you sick, you might just throw up. Or it might be the fact that you jealous because a nigga blew up. Or it might be the fact that you mad because your time ran out. I told you if you keep acting that way, then you will fall out. I'm sorry, baby, get out. And you have just been kicked out. And neither you just pass out. No need for me to get loud. And stuff like this has been happening for several weeks. Yeah, she's blowing up my phone like a calling can't even beat. All she wants to do is call inside me. Yes, I don't want you at all. Why you nagging me? Stop calling me. Quit texting me. Just get the message, please. It ain't no mystery. You instantly what's up with me. Take the inch from me. Check me history. Quit calling me. Why you lying? I got call ID. 505. I don't know sometimes. They call me. I didn't want to change my number, but this chick right here's on Twitter, so I think it's about that time. Cause you getting out of line. You say you want more time. We both know my time is limited. But that's the only time. She don't say that when I'm hitting it. So obviously she see I'm coming from nothing to something on the road to success. And all I see is the money. Ain't no time for the stress. Look, honey, just being honest. So won't you do the same? Take the blame and keep it 100. Leave a message.
Check.
Think you got talent, man? This is your chance.
A Showcase for Unsigned Talent is looking for aspiring artists of all kinds. This is your opportunity to show the people who matter that you've got what it takes. Visit ashowcaseforunsignedtalent.com and submit a short sample of the talent you believe the world should see. Agents, artists, studios, and industry insiders are looking for fresh, unsigned talent. This is your chance.
This is your chance.
Visit ashowcaseforunsignedtalent.com now.